Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of token metrics. In order to do so, here we are at tokenmetrics.com. And with token metrics, you can beat the crypto market with AI insights. It offers smarter crypto trading and investing with advanced AI analysis. If you go to the site, I'd recommend taking a look at the video that they have there, which explains a little bit more of what to expect. But essentially, that is what you can expect with token metrics is AI analysis to help you make smarter choices when it comes to crypto trading and investing. Let's go ahead and click on explore pricing. And you can see here that we have a basic tier, an advanced tier for $39.99 a month, and we have the premium tier for $199.99 a month. There's also the yearly as well, so if you want to take advantage of that, you can. But as far as the monthly goes, this is what you can expect. And with the basic tier, if you want to use that, then you have access to the bull bear market indicator, AI crypto asset ratings, and the AI crypto chatbot. So that'll at least get you started and give you an idea of what token metrics is capable of. We'll just go ahead and head back here to the main screen and we'll scroll down. You'll see that it's been featured on Bloomberg, Business Insider, CNN, Forbes, CNBC. 4 ways our AI makes you a smarter crypto investor. Never miss a trade. Find hidden gems. Copy winning strategies. That seems like 3, but we hear 4. Maybe I missed one. Got some testimonials we could take a look at. We've got our frequently asked questions. So if you want to go through those, then you certainly can. Let's go ahead and head over to the app itself. And so this is what you can expect. We've got tasks that we can go through. This is a short tour that will guide you through the essential features of the platform. So we've got a product walkthrough that we can go through. We can check out the market page. We can check out the ratings page. We can join the Telegram group if we wish. We can join Discord, join Galaxy Airdrop campaign. It's an interesting way of spelling that. Or you could subscribe to the Token Metrics YouTube channel. From here as well, so if we just click on that, is all hidden in this little icon here. And then just under that is where we have the Token Metrics AI agent. And you can ask whatever questions. There's some helpful suggestions here that you can take a look at as well. But definitely a good platform. If you're a beginner for crypto and you're not sure where to start, then you might want to start with Token Metrics. And we also have a referral link in the description. So if you want to help support the channel and get started with Token Metrics, by all means, please click on that link. We would certainly appreciate it. But Token Metrics, they are definitely doing something special, especially for beginners. If you are uncertain of where to start, this is a great place to start because the AI chatbot can really take you by the hand and help you understand exactly what it is that you are trying to accomplish with crypto and help you make those educated decisions. It's can be murky waters when it comes to crypto and the various options out there. It is certainly not a straight line, and the more help you can get, the better. And it's a great idea to have a crypto agent AI chatbot that you can take advantage of. That can certainly help your confidence in making those educated trades. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.